would like to thank Temu for sponsoring this video, this portion of the video. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Actually, I welcome new members of the family. Welcome to my channel, you guys. I thank you so much. I hope you love and stay for good. Thank you so much, guys. As I've said, I appreciate each and every one of you, and those who are coming back. Thank you guys so much for being day ones. Yes, in today's video we are unboxing the parcel from the Orange app. But package orange, guys. This is the parcel we are going to unbox. The package from Temu. So let's see what's inside. Cloud was a fisher to that stage. I would like to thank Temu for sponsoring this video, this portion of the video. So yeah, but right now we would like to thank the sponsor of this order today, because someone offered to buy me lights and microphone. So thank you so much. I won't say the name, they know themselves. Thank you so much, I appreciate. So the reason why I bought those things from Temu, I wanted to test it, and I also it was because they have free shipping. So yeah, I thought maybe. Okay, the first thing hey guys, that's manala mazipho. We've added mazipho lena, guys. Kitloba le lady, I love them. Press on nails, false nail. So this is the it's too bright. Yeah, this is the color of the nails. Another one, this is the other color. Okay, this is another one. This one is black and white. So yeah, this is another color. I hope you can see. Yes. Yeah. What's next? Oh, these are baking sheets. I won't open them. These are baking sheets. This is something for decor, but it came late for what I wanted it to do, what I wanted for. So I won't use it now, probably next year. Yeah, isn't this light? So it's not much, guys. It is really not much. This is, what's this? This is another thing. Oh, this is a journal. If you know me, you know I love journaling, self-care journal. Yo, the quality of this video is going south because this light is no longer strong, and I just chose it yesterday, but now it's in so this is the journal. It's lime in color. I don't think you can see that. My delicate journal. Oh my god. This planner belongs to oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Inside, I haven't failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that I want to work. That's a quote on top. What am I looking forward today? What am I looking forward to today? What are 3 things I'm grateful for in my life right now? How can I start my day off on a positive note? What will make today great? What can I do today to make a positive difference in someone else's life? What were 2 good things that happened today? I think that's for later, yes. What am I proud of today? What was my mood today? How could I have made today better? I love this. And what's this? What is this? Oh, go and cut this. The thing inside. I even I forgot what's inside. Oh, it comes in this. It's a buzz off thing game. Right. I think I'll show you when I've connected that. And then the main thing for this order. That's it for today. Oh, this is... What is this? This is the thing for my sneakers. The sneakers that I the all-star bariki food care. The sneakers it's a so I bought this for the red tag. So yeah, that will come in handy. And then what's this? I think this is a mystery gift from them. Oh no, this is the glue for the nails. And then the star of the show is this one, which is the lights. And then I'm gonna test it and see the quality. I'll show the one that I'm using now from this one is from Take a Lot, so we shall test this ones and see zifamba njani, ditsamaya njani. I guess this is the tripod. Yes, this is the tripod for the light. This is the tripod. It's the bed, guys. So this is a tripods for that. This is just a user manual, and then that's the light. I still feel like they are small, even though I saw the size on the app, but they did say it's something like 20 something centimeter by 30, I think. So I can still use my camera on this tripod, because this one, yeah, guys. Yeah. This is what I'll connect the light to. I can even use it for my camera. And then there we go. This is the light. This is the light. I hope it will work. What? Does it come? Like, does it use the battery? What's this? What's this? Camera lights. Okay. We shall test right now. But we'll see the unboxing. Oh my god, I would like to thank Temu for sponsoring this video. This is another one. So as I've said, the two. So now you can compare the quality. This is the smaller one. I'll just connect these two and let's check the quality. I'll come back in a second. So this is good. So you can adjust if you want low. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh wow. So this is it. I cannot complain. Okay. So you can change to warm, lighter. Oh. Alright. Alright, I love it. I am in love. Okay. Alright. Not me playing with this. But yeah, I'm just checking. Alright, think I'm not mad. I think I'm not mad. Let's see if I lower this. Okay, still not bad. Now you can see the difference. Alright, that's it for this unboxing, guys. I connected only one, so this is the other one, because now my camera tripod now I'm using the tripod for this, for camera here. That is it. And then the other thing that we need to check is this. I think it's too bright. This wireless microphone. I'm not sure if you can see. They wireless Lavalia, something like that. Ooh, guess you won't see them, but yeah. These ones are from Temu. So I want to test them on this camera and see if they are working the way they are supposed to, or they are picking up the sound. Let's just check that too. Yeah, I'll come back right now. I'm back, guys. I guess I've left this on. I've left those microphones on, so now their battery is low. I can't really test them now, but I hope they're working. I'm gonna charge them and check and test them later. This is the light that I was using before from Temu. It's actually good. It is good. I think it's brighter than this one's. Like how shall I say that thing? So this was what I was using before. Just that guessing the because Nikolita Kayona the time only load shedding. The time is only load shedding. So now so yeah, man, guys, that's it for today, for this video. If you haven't subscribed and you've watched until this far, please do the right thing by clicking subscribe button below. Press post notification bell so that you can notified every time I post a new video. Guys, there's 90 something % of you who are watching my videos and are not subscribed. Please do subscribe and help me to grow. I can't believe we are more than 200 and something. And I was scared to come back. You guys are intimidating me as much as I want to grow. I was like, how do I come back? How do I come back to a house full of 200 and something people? Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you for joining us as we are slowly growing. Please share my videos, guys, so that more people can join us and share. And believe me, I've noticed what you like, what you guys love, and I'm not promising that now. I've noticed that you love travel vlogs, but at this moment yeah, but we will come back with those, and we will, let me not promise things that I'm not sure about, but yeah, I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you, but God loves you more. Enjoy your day. Bye.